Today I'm gonna show you the passing chords made easy lesson, and this lesson is going to be interesting, and it's going to cover both for the pro level and the intermediate and also the beginner. So I'm in the key of F major, and this is the F major scale. I'm going to apply these skills on these two keys, on the bottom key of F sharp F major. So if you're watching me for your first time, I want you to give me your 5 minutes and I'll be clean with this lesson. So my first chord is a 7-3-6 movement advance. I'm doing it in the key of F and then do it in the key of F sharp. So you will translate it to other keys using the rest concept. So the first key, the first one is chord 1, normal chord, F triad, C. On my right hand, I'm just holding a C, and F, an A, and then a C back to C. And on my left hand, I'm just holding a F, C, and then F. So I'm doing like this. So the second step, I'm doing it on my right hand, I'm holding a 5, of which is a C major, and then on my left hand is a 7, which is a E. So from the top, then I want to learn to the 6, but before I go to the 6, there is a passing chord that I'm going to use it, and this is an A major. For example, we can use this song, "You deserve the glory and the honor." So you deserve the glory and the honor. So that's the first step. Major, F major, on my right hand, on my left, I'm just using an F octave and I add a C in between. Then my second, I'm using C, of which is a 5 over 7. This is an E. So before I land to the 6, I'm passing through a 3, which is a major chord, an A major. So you deserve the glory and the honor. So we have done it in the key of F major. So we are going to translate it to the key of F sharp. So in the key of F sharp, just do like this. 1, you are 7, then you are 6. For you are great, you do miracles so great. So you see what I'm doing? On my left hand in the key of F sharp, I'm just using F, octave, F octave, and then I add C sharp. Here I'm just taking C, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Then here is a B flat. So like that. You can extend your hand here to make it a major 7th. The secondly, I'm holding like this. I'm just using 7, F sharp north is a 7th, the key of F sharp, F major. So I'm just holding a B flat, an E, and then a G sharp. And then on the last one, I'm just holding like this. I'm holding my 6, which is a D sharp minor, and then here I'm holding a C sharp, a D sharp, and a G. So that is the first step that I've shown you. Second step that I'm going to show you is a very simple step. is a 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. And I'll do it first in the key of F major. So this is your 2, your 3, then your 4. I'm not using this 4 normal, I'm just using like this. I'm telling you, these passing chords have been made easy, so continue watching. Don't click away. I know you are about to click away, but if you watch up to the end, so I've done it like this: 2, 3, then your 4. What have I done? 2, I've just used the normal 2, of which here is a D, a G, and a B flat. On my left hand, I'm just using the octaves of D, D, and then I add a G, like that one. Then our 3, A minor. On my right hand, I'm just touching C. I'm holding C, E, and then A. On my left hand, I'm holding like this: A, higher and lower octaves. Then on my 4, I will not go like this with the normal 4. I'm going like this. These are the passing chords, nice ones. So I'm holding a C, a D, and a F over the 4. This is a suspended chord, C suspended 2. Okay? Same, we are going to apply it in the key of F sharp. So like this. And then your 4. Okay? So your 2 is like this, the normal 2. This is the normal 2. I think you know it, all of you. Then the 3. The 3 that I'm holding here, I'm just holding the normal 3 note, which is a B flat, and then here I'm using C sharp over F, and then B flat. Okay? So that is your 3. Then your 4. Your 4 you just hold like this one, a C sharp suspended 2 over the 4, B. So these chords, you can use them. For example, you are Alpha and Omega.